Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Naughty Creation. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful headband using two different yarn. One is off-white and other a colorful vibrant blend. The yarn I'm using today is from Loin brand yarn and I will be working with their stunning Pond of Love collection. And I'm using 9-number crochet hook. Firstly, take your off-white yarn and create a slip knot on your hook. Next, make 2 chains with off-white yarn color. Now we are going to add some color on third chain from the hook. Take your colorful yarn or any yarn you want to use and join it with pulling it through the chain. Now make 5 chains with colorful yarn. Now take a previous yarn and tie a knot to secure it in place. To making sure everything stay in place. After adding colorful yarn, grab your another off-white yarn again and add 5 more chains to your project. Next, grab the previous yarn and tie a knot to secure it. Total 5 chains with white color, 3 for project and 2 for extra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We make total 13 chains, then turn your project, skip first 2 chains and make double crochet on third chain. One more double crochet on next chain. One more double crochet on into next chain. After making the 3 double crochet, switch to your colorful yarn. Yarn over, pull through the white yarn hook, secure it tight, then make 1, 2, 3 chains. Make puffer stitch by working 5 double crochet into this third stitch. This is how we are going to make puff stitch. With 5 double crochets. Pull through to yarn over. Then make 3 chains and skip 2. Add another white yarn. Skip 2 and make double crochet with white. Make double crochet into next stitch. One more double crochet. This is how our one row has completed. Now make 2 chains for second row. Make 1 double crochet in first stitch and one another double crochet on into next stitch. Now pick colorful yarn and pull through into the white and make 3 stitches, 3 chains. Or you can skip those 3 chains also and make puff stitch with 5 double crochets. Yarn over and pull through all the 5 loops on your hook to complete the puff stitch. Then make 3 chains. Then continue making puff stitch. Insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over again and pull a loop. Repeat this step for total 5 times. Then yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook to complete the puff stitch. Then make 3 chains. Pick white yarn over and pull through the colorful loop, or you can do other way also. Make 1 double crochet, then make second double crochet on next stitch, then make third double crochet into next stitch. The second line has completed. Make 2 chains for next line, then make 1 double crochet, then make second double crochet. Now switch to colorful yarn. Make puff stitch the same as we made from 5 double crochets. After making 5 double crochets, then pull through 5 double crochets to form a puff stitch. Then make 3 chains. Now switch to white yarn and make double crochet on next stitch. Then make second double crochet and third double crochet on third stitch. This is how our third row has completed. Now repeat two lines and you can follow me step by step to finish the entire hairband.